Avoid paying £9,000 in repairs. 5 on lagging, 10 minutes wrapping. In the winter, we see more burst mains than usual. Your internal pipes are at risk from wintry conditions too. Internal pipes are your responsibility. If something happens to them, you need to pay for the repair, which can cost up to £9,000. Lagging your pipes is an easy, inexpensive way to protect them. It costs about £5 to buy and takes 10 minutes to wrap. Easy. All you need to do is cut it to length, then tape it up. You can also get tap hoodies and covers to keep outdoor taps cozy.